Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete search history from the Spectrum app, follow this quick guide to clear your browsing and search data. Step 1. Open the Spectrum TV app or Spectrum mobile app on your device and sign in with your account credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the search function within the app, typically represented by a magnifying glass icon. Step 3. Look for your recent search history, which usually appears below the search bar when you tap on it. Step 4. To remove individual searches, look for an X or delete button next to each search term. Tap it to remove that specific search from your history. Step 5. To clear all search history at once, go to the app's settings by tapping on your profile icon or the menu button. Step 6. Look for privacy, history, or clear data options in the settings menu. Step 7. Select Clear Search History or similar option to remove all saved searches from the Spectrum app. Step 8. Confirm your choice when prompted. The app will clear all search history immediately. Step 9. If you want to prevent search history from being saved in the future, look for privacy settings that allow you to disable search history tracking. Step 10. For TV viewing history, go to Account Settings on the Spectrum website at spectrum.net and manage your viewing preferences and history there. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.